How to remove food in MyFitnessPal app. Firstly, you have to open MyFitnessPal app. You can see here at the dashboard, and beside the dashboard there is an option of diary. You have to click on diary. Here your meals will appear and your foods will appear here. You can remove food from here. If you want to remove this food, you have to just click on it and press this bar, and you can see move to or delete entry. You can click on the delete option. In this way that your food will be deleted in your chart. Just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.